Now, Phuket is home to some gorgeous resorts, and there are a few new kids on the block, but one of the iconic retreats here on the island is the Diamond Cliff Resort. Not only is it minutes away from the heart of Patong, it also has some of the best views on the island, and it's also undergone a multi-million-dollar renovation. So let us show you around. Travellers just love Phuket, Thailand, and there are some resorts they just keep heading back to over and over again, like the Diamond Cliff Resort. It's located just outside Patong on a dramatic hillside. That means there are gorgeous views in every direction. The rooms are spacious and inviting with huge beds and bathtubs. I love the big balconies where you can enjoy the sea air and vistas. Two lovely pools, one in the garden that looks like an oasis, and this one overlooking the sea. You can also chill at the cool pool bar with some yummy cocktails. I was even serenaded at sunset. Dining here is a smorgasbord of choice. Huge buffet breakfast with all your morning favourites. Lunches that offer local delights and international specialties. And there's a Japanese restaurant with all your favourite sushi, sashimi and teppanyaki. The resort's Thai restaurant has a menu that will blow your mind. If you want to go home with a few local recipes, then join in a cooking class.
Fish sauce?
That's a fish sauce.
How are we going?
Salt.
Let me try this one.
And you can have some fun like we did and take the whole Thai experience to the max. In fact, our whole crew got in on the act. The spa here is an idyllic escape with a great range of treatments. If you want to venture outside, there are Phuket's fabulous beaches in both directions. You'll also have all the shopping and attractions of Patong nearby. Patong's happening nightlife scene is just a short stroll from here too. Journey to Phuket for a holiday that truly sparkles.